In this tutorial, we will learn about choose function. So choose function returns the value from the list of value arguments based on index value. That means if we have a list of data and if we give the index number for that list, then it will return the value of that index number. That is, here we have mango, guava, lychee, grapes and banana. And if we give the index number 2, then it will return guava. If we give 5, then it will return banana. In this way, this choose function works. So the syntax of choose function is equal to choose within bracket index number, comma value 1, comma value 2 and so on. So the first argument index number is a numerical value, that is index number must be a value from 1 to 254. It specifies which value argument is to be selected. That means after index number we have to put the values, value 1, value 2, value 3, and on the basis of the index numbers, if we put 1, then the first value will be selected. If we give 2 in the index number, then the second value will be selected and it will return that value. So here, so values are the arguments, can be a number, cell reference, defined names, formulas, function or text, anything. So let's understand this choose function with different examples. Here we have 5 examples. First, basic understanding, then how to do left vlookup, then third example is how to use choose function instead of nested if function for getting different grades, then how to do calculation based on conditions and calculation with drop down list. So let's understand with example number 1. So here we have a list and from this list we will get the value. So first we will use the choose function without any reference. So equal to choose first index number 1, then comma value. We'll put within double quote because all these are text, mango, comma guava, comma lychee, sorry here quotation, comma grapes, comma banana, then bracket close and enter. So we got mango. If I use here 2, then we get guava. If I use here 5, then we get banana. Now we will use the reference equal to choose index number is this one, comma reference this cell, comma this cell, comma this cell, comma this cell. Then bracket close and enter. We got guava. If I type here 4 is grapes. So in this way we can use this choose function to get values based on the index number. Now we will understand the left vlookup. We all know that vlookup always search a value from left to right, not right to left. But here we will force vlookup to look at left with the help of choose function. So let's understand this. So first here equal to vlookup. Our lookup value is this text, comma table array. This is our table array, comma for a column index. So our column index is 1. From here we want to get the score 1, comma for exact match 0, bracket close and enter. We got error. This is because this value is on the right side and the value we want is on the left side. That is why it is giving error. But if you see the table array and press F9, so first you get the number, then the text, number, text. That means first is score, then we have the student name. So we have to use the formula in such a way that is this text comes before the score. So let's see here equal to vlookup. Lookup value is this one, comma. Now table array. In table array, type choose and the index number. The index number will give an array with curly bracket 1 comma 1 comma 2 curly bracket close comma. So this became the index number 1 and 2. Then the values. So first value we will give this range. You can take from here or here. Let's take from here. Comma. Then second one is this one. So for first this range, then for this range. So this became the table array. You can press F9, you can see first text, then number, text, then number. Now, comma, column index number is 2 because here we have already seen it is in second, the score is in second position, first position, second position, first position, second position. For exact match it is 0, comma 0, bracket close and enter. We got 74. If I change the name, Ishan is 95. So in this way we can force VLOOKUP to look at the left. Now we will understand example 3 where here is the criteria and here is the student name and score. So based on score and the criteria we will get the result. So you must have to keep the criteria in a ascending order. So you cannot put 76 on the middle, 0 on the last. So it should be in a ascending order, 0 to 25, 26 to 50, 51 to 75, 76 to 100 in a proper way. Then only we can use this function to get the grade. So delete this one and type here equal to choose. Now another bracket start to make some conditions, that is this cell is greater than 0. So this is one logic. This will give true or false. If it is true that means 1 and if it is false it is 0. Plus then another bracket this cell greater than 25 bracket close plus in this way we have to do all these numbers C30 bracket open C30 greater than 50 bracket close plus bracket open this cell greater than 75 bracket close and then comma. So we have created the index, this one, press F9, we got 3 because this cell is greater than 0, greater than 25, greater than 50. So 3 true equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 and this is false. So it is 0. Now we'll get this value, that is poor, satisfactory, good and excellent. So first one is G30, press F4 to lock it, comma this one, F4, comma this one, F4, comma this one, F4. So these are the 4 values. Based on this index number, this value will be returned. Bracket close and enter. Sorry, I have made a mistake. Here we have to put a bracket and enter. You have got good. Now drag this, poor, satisfactory, excellent. If I see here index number, press F9, it is 1 because only this logic is correct. It is not greater than 25, not greater than 50, not greater than 75. So the value is 1. So first, in the first position we have poor. That is why it is returning poor. So in this way it is satisfactory because it is greater than 25, not greater than 50. So it is satisfactory. So in this way you can use choose function instead of if function that we have learned in various videos of marksheet. Now in example 4, we will calculate the commission based on this criteria. So we will use the same formula here, but there will be some little difference. So delete this one, type here equal to choose bracket open this cell greater than 10,000. greater than 0, bracket close, plus bracket open, this cell greater than 10,000, bracket close, plus bracket open, this cell greater than 25,000, bracket close, plus bracket open, this cell greater than 50,000, bracket close, comma, first value is G38 F4, comma, this cell F4, comma, this cell F4, comma, this cell F4, bracket close and enter. So we got 0.2. So let's do it in percentage. Let's see, 20%. It is greater than 50,000, so it is 20%. So we don't need here the 25%. We need the commission. So we'll multiply this with this number. So here multiplied by this number, enter, and make it as general. Now drag this. We got all the commission. Very simple. Example 5. In example 5, we will use a drop down list to get some values. So here we have drop down list 1 to 6. So this is a subject number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we have 1 to 6. And here we have another drop down list, sum, average, max, minimum. And here also we have English. Okay. Now if I change here 2. So 2 is Hindi, 52. 6 is math, 73, and here if I select 2, we get the value 66, because average, in 2 we have average. Select this, you can see average is 66.5. If you get the maximum number, then it is 3, so maximum is 85. Here also you can do sum, average, maximum, minimum. So how to do that? Let's see. Delete this and delete these two values. Okay. Now here we'll get the subject name. So equal to choose index number. So index number is this one, comma, then the value. This cell, comma, this, comma, this, comma, this, comma, this. So very simple. Enter. We got math, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the number, the same way, equal to choose index number, comma, these values separated by commas. Enter. 73. Now here, if we select 1, we want this sum of this number. If we select 2, average of this number. So type here equal to choose index number. So index number is this one, comma, then value. So first is sum. So type here sum, select this range, bracket close, comma, and value 2, value for average, select this range, bracket close, comma. The third for maximum, max, select this range, bracket close, comma. Fourth, minimum, select this range, bracket close, and bracket close for choose. Enter. So we got 3. So 3 is max, 85. 4, minimum, 45. Now here, how to do this? Equal to choose index number. So to get the index number, we have to use the match function to match this value with this value. So match, lookup value is this one, comma, select this range, exact match 0, bracket close. So this will give us the index number. So here we got sum 1. Now comma, the same formula is used here, sum this range, comma, average this range, comma, max this range, bracket close, comma, minimum select this range, bracket close for choose and enter. Sum is 399, and if I select average, maximum, minimum. So in different way you can use choose function to, so in this way you can use the choose function in different way. So you can use choose function in different ways to make your work easier. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any problem regarding this problem, you can write me in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.